ko na.
Pwede sa atin. Another gift na meron po galing sa ating lahat ay empty box and some utensils. Para saan ito? Kasi maraming mga picnic sessions probably out of the country. Magdala na kayo ng kutsara dito na. Okay. Ano yung box na empty, no? Filling it with more memories, no? With the family also. Kasi we know that we will be having more
Thank you, thank you.
time. Okay. Siyempre, hindi ko natatapos.
Sa cellphone?
Wait lang. Ay, ako po ba?
Sayang.
Okay. We would also like to honor both of you by giving some symbolisms, no, for what you are doing for the church. No, we understand that, you know, you are called to do this, both you and Mrs. N. Matagal na po namin kayong kakilala and alam namin yung sacrifice nyo to ensure that, you know, you're able to really serve the Lord of this ministry. So we would like to be reading Psalm 23:5, which is you anoint my head with oil, my cup overflow. So the symbolism that we want to give both of you is of course a jar of olive oil. Ayan.
Wow. Pampalago ba yun mo?
Pwede po, try natin. Baka pwede. Yan. So that's the symbolism
Thank you, thank you.
the Lord's calling to both of you. Okay. Next one. There's more pa. Wait na.
Meron ba ako?
Oo.
Grabe.
The sweetness. Okay.
Overwhelming ka.
Okay. Siyempre talaga kailangan ma-overwhelm kayo. How sweet are your words to my taste, says Psalm 119:103. So this is a symbolism of the sweetness of God's goodness to both your lives. So we will be giving you honey. Pinili nila yung original. O, i-fake honey to.
Honey.
Talagang honey yan.
Oh, honey.
Honey dahil honey mo rin si Sis El. Next.
Thank you, thank you.
Agree. Bro,
Hindi mo na-post.
Bro, teka lang. Okay. Agree ba kayo that, you know, Brother Man and Sis El has been a good influence to us and also they have such high impact. Yeah, diba? Correct. So with that, it's Matthew 5:13. You are, syempre, the Lord is the salt of the earth. Tayo rin, like Jesus. So the symbolism is, bibigyan po namin kayo na salt. Okay, so, salt yan. Salt.
Salt, salt.
Na salt
Wow.
kayo. Okay.
Okay.
Ay, okay.
Lip na ito.
Oo, that's
McCormick. Yan, McCormick.
McCormick, oh. Siyempre, kailangan McCormick. Okay.
Meron pa.
Ang dami naman dito, malalim to eh. Okay. Light and guidance. Personally, kami po ni Brother Red and my family can attest to that. They've been guiding us ever since something, you know, happened to the family and they've been there for us, being patient. I'm sure kayo rin. Talagang gina-guide kayo ni Brother Man and Sister. And the symbolism for that is before that, the verse is, your word is the lamp on my feet and a light to my path. Psalm 119:105. So the symbolism is, teka lang, uhukayin ko muna. Candle!
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Yan. So yan po ang aming gustong i-bless po sa inyong pamilya. Maraming salamat
Ay,
po.
akala ko kasama yung cellphone.
Hindi, sorry. Kakabibili ko lang nun. So,
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Pero hindi pa tapos. Meron pa. Then last na to. Again, no, let's give Brother Man and Sis El a round of applause. No, it's just such an honor.
It's our honor. It's our honor.